Hello everybody, my name is Cornelius from Enable India, and in this video I want to show you one of the solutions that I have for one of the problem statements. Now, being in the organization, we used to attend many meetings and it's so difficult to catch hold of people because we don't know their availability, or even if you get the availability of any colleague. Now the issue is you have to book a particular room, so that nobody will disturb you discussing with the team, or it could be with any individual. Now in this organization, we normally have many meeting rooms which has names labeled to them. Say for example, we have one of the meeting rooms called Neptune, Neptune. Okay, so it is so difficult to get the availability of this room itself, because it's so busy in a day. Many people use this room in order to gather for meetings. So how do I know if I want to book a slot in this room? How do I know whether it's available or not? That's the problem statement. Okay, now I am going to show you in this video how to tackle this solution. And in order to do this, I'm going to use the Microsoft Teams, which is an official communication application for our organization. I'll take you straight to the Microsoft Teams app.
Calendar vertical bar, title is Calendar vertical bar Microsoft Teams.
Okay, now I have taken my focus to the 5th of September and I'm going to book for a slot, okay, in this room called Neptune.
Tuesday, September 5th, 2023, 11:30 a.m.
Okay, I'll press enter on this one.
Enter. Alert explain. Meeting duration 30 minutes. New meeting vertical bar. Loading finished. Loading.
Okay, now I'm done with this. So first thing first I'll do is I'll go to this add participants.
Add optional attendees. List add required attendees edit combo.
Required attendees. Okay, so here what I do is I'll either type Neptune.
List box. Neptune. Enter. List with one.
Okay, and then I'll cross check the timings.
Add start. Date edit combo collapsed. 9/5/2023 to set the value.
Okay.
Start time edit combo collapsed. 11:30 a.m.
Okay, the time is 11:30 that I'm going to take.
End time edit combo collapsed. 12:00.
And I'll just end it by 12 o'clock. Okay, now I'll just go to this how do I know whether this Neptune is free or not? I'll take my focus back to the email box button.
And start add list with one items. Add required attendees edit combo.
Okay.
Remove Neptune, availability free button to activate. Press space bar period.
Here it is. It says that the room is available. It's free. Let me hear it again. I'll just press insert plus tab.
Remove Neptune, availability free button to activate.
It's free, right? Now let me try it out with another time slot and see whether is it busy or not. I'll take my focus to the set time.
Add start date edit combo collapsed. Start time edit combo.
Okay, I'll select 2:30. Let me see.
1:2:3:0:0:30 p.m.
Okay, 2:30. And time will be
end time edit combo collapsed. 3:00 p.m.
Okay, 3 o'clock. Now I'll check whether it is busy or free. Okay.
Start. Remove Neptune, availability busy button to activate.
Oops, it's busy. I'll just cross verify again. Insert plus tab.
Remove Neptune, availability busy button to activate. Press space bar.
That's how it works. Okay, this is an easy solution for we people using screen reader, and it is very helpful using this feature, because otherwise it's so difficult to get the availability of your colleague, or if in my case you're trying to book for a room. This is how the basic solution that you can use in this circumstance. Okay, and it goes both ways. As I said, even if you want to book a slot with your colleague or with your boss, whoever, this is how you check his availability through Microsoft Teams. And I hope this solution will be helpful to everybody using Teams for their official communication. And see you in the next video. Thank you so much.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.